We're buying property in Atlanta with US dollars. We're getting our rental income paid in US dollars. Mark, can you comment on exchange rate variability and how that in fact affects cross-border real estate?
Right, yeah. So right now we're seeing the Canadian dollar at or above par, which is not necessarily the case historically. When the U.S. economy rebounds, we expect to be able to sell our U.S. properties that have actually appreciated in value and have a kind of a double effect of an increasing asset as well as an increasing value of a currency. So we expect kind of a double benefit there.
Mark, can you comment on maybe, do we have to exchange the US dollars for Canadian dollars from the rental income, or if we end up selling a property earlier, or how would that work?
We can actually keep the United States dollars in the U.S. until we find it beneficial to bring it back across the border and wait till the exchange rate suits our expectations.
So we could see a little bit of a bump there from the currency exchange as well, as what you're saying.
That's right. So we expect not only a valuation of the property, but a valuation of the currency as well.